involved in these cycles to get completed. We are going to start off today by discussing nitrogen cycle. Extremely important as per exam point of view. So much so that you can be rest assured to expect 3 to 5 marks out of nitrogen cycle from this chapter. That's how important this topic is. Now, nitrogen cycle is of course the journey of nitrogen through different parts of the atmosphere. Not just atmosphere, even the entire biosphere, to be very precise. Now tell me one thing, air has a lot of nitrogen.
Yes.
78% of air is nitrogen. So of course it has a maximum. But is it that the rest of the world doesn't have any nitrogen? Do you think you and I, we don't have nitrogen in our body? Do you think plants don't have nitrogen? Do you think soil doesn't have nitrogen? Anything else doesn't have nitrogen? So that is one element which is abundant in atmosphere, no doubt, but it's present elsewhere also. Correct? For example, proteins. Proteins cannot be made without nitrogen. How are we getting those proteins?
Legumes.
We are getting those proteins either by, see, the major intake of protein in our body comes from some amount of food. Correct? Except if we are drinking protein shake, which is also an edible component. So how are we getting our protein? We are getting it via food. Hannah. So food is also getting it from somewhere. If it's an animal, it's also getting it from somewhere. If it's a plant, it's also getting it from somewhere. So nitrogen is moving here and there. Understood? How is it moving? Do you think that it is not moving? We've just established it's moving because I got it from where? Let's say that I'm a vegetarian, I got it from dal maybe. I got it from pulses. Pulses got it probably from soil. Soil must have also got it from somewhere. So they are moving in a cycle, in a cycle, in a cycle. Let's say for example, Khandani property, Khandani zevarat. It moves from one generation to the other. Yes, my great grandfather must have given it to my grandfather. Correct. He must have given it to his son. I'm an only child, so I get everything. So basically there is a hierarchy, how things are passed on from one generation to another. Similarly, nitrogen also hops from one place to another. Clear? Now, we've established that nitrogen does this. Okay, now, how exactly is it accomplishing this entire process is what we need to understand in this lecture. Correct? We are not going to rush with nitrogen cycle because it's a very important topic. I need all of you to get it very straight in your heads. N2 क्या है?
Nitrogen. Two compounds. Two atoms of nitrogen. Two atoms of nitrogen.
बड़े बोरिंग लोग हो. क्या N2? What is N2?
Gas. Two times nitrogen.
गैस तो मुझे यहाँ होता है बेटा.
Nitrogen in atmospheric
मजा नहीं आया. This is a छोटा सा बच्चा.
Of nitrogen.
How big it is? It's छोटा सा बच्चा. Correct? It's what? It's a छोटा सा बच्चा. Correct? Okay, see, the way we are going to understand nitrogen cycle is a little different from what is given in your book. I am making you understand the concept, then I'll show you the book and I'll explain it from there also. So this is a छोटा सा बच्चा. Correct? Now his parents are very rich. His parents are ultra rich, Ambani sort of people. Correct? Elon Musk? Fine, Elon Musk. Elon Musk sort of a person. His parents are. Correct. Now, some kidnappers have seen him. Some kidnappers have seen him and they see a beautiful opportunity to earn money. Correct? So there are two kidnappers. There are two kidnappers. One is called lightning
One is called thunder.
and the other one are some bacterias.
Present in roots of tree.
They are called nitrogen fixing bacterias. देखो इसके तो नाम में इसकी नीयत खराब दिख रही है. Correct?
इसको ठिकाना लगा ना.
Fine. So this is a very rich kid. अभी तो किडनैप भी नहीं हुआ बेटा हमारा बच्चा. So this is a very rich child, and these are two kidnappers. Okay? And these kidnappers, they want to kidnap him because paisa. So there is a possibility that this kidnapper gets him. There is a possibility that this one gets him. Now when you kidnap somebody, you have to hide that somebody, or else that somebody will be spotted by other somebody, and this somebody will slip out of your hand and you'll slip into a jail. Correct? So you have to hide this somebody. So these two have decided to hide it in soil. Like atmosphere तो खुला खुला है, कोई भी देख लेगा. इसको नीचे गाड़ दो, कोई नहीं देख पाएगा. Correct? So they take our atmospheric nitrogen and they put it into soil. Correct? What do? They put it into slight problem. Slight problem. Soil is गुंडों का अड्डा. Soil is what? Soil is गुंडों का अड्डा. Correct? And everybody knows this is Elon Musk का बेटा, है ना? So other gundas will also try to kidnap him. Other gundas will also try to kidnap him. Correct. So they thought that we should disguise him.
Means?
भेस बदलना पड़ेगा. अंग्रेजी सीख लो थोड़ी सी. भेस बदलने को इंग्लिश में डिस्गाइज करना कहते हैं. ठीक है? So they said कि हमें इसको डिस्गाइज करना पड़ेगा in a form that nobody will be able to catch us. Correct? So they came up with a plan and they made ammonia out of it. They have one more option. They can make ammonia or they can also make nitrate out of it. Nitrate or nitrites. वो ये भी बना सकते हैं. Flexible है. Correct? So they can either make ammonia or nitrates or nitrites. Fine. So this N2 has been kidnapped by either lightning or nitrogen fixing bacteria. Now they have to hide this N2 or else other gundas will steal him. So what they do is they convert them either into ammonia or nitrates or nitrites. Now they are soil friendly. Correct? Now they can stay in the soil without creating any problem. What happens next? This bacha is trying to escape now. Of course, he's an intelligent child. It's Elon Musk's child. It has to be intelligent. Okay? So this child is now trying to escape. This child is now trying to escape. So he sees a plant here. He sees a plant in the soil and he goes and asks for help. Correct? So what happens is, see now ammonia first goes to the plant. But the plant doesn't like ammonia. It's like, तो बड़ा toxic इंसान है. Get out of my life. Correct? So ammonia doesn't like. Ammonia is not liked by anything because ammonia is very toxic. Our body doesn't like ammonia. In fact, our body also converts excess ammonia into urea and everything. So ammonia is in general very toxic. Why would plant accept something that's toxic? Plant will say, तू दूर रह मुझसे. मेरे को आज social service नहीं करने का. Correct? So the plant will not accept it. So ammonia is rejected by the plant. Now ammonia is still trying to escape because है तो हमारा N2. है ना? So it converts itself into nitrates and nitrites. It converts itself into. It's possible that N2 directly reaches here. It's possible. It's also possible that ammonia, it reaches to the stage of ammonia and then it converts itself here. Why is it converting into this state? Because plant is not accepting ammonia and N2 wants to escape back. Okay? Now what happens next? Now this goes to plant. Fine. Now plant promises that I will let you go. But then an animal comes and he eats this plant. correct? The animal will come and the animal eats this plant. अब तो हमारा बच्चा फंस गया, उसकी डील इसके साथ हुई थी. But this animal, he has no intentions of putting this nitrogen back into air, correct? So what happens is that this is now getting transferred to animal. So now N2 is where? N2 is with the animal. Now animal has eaten a lot. What do we do after we eat a lot? We excrete out. So what happens is that this animal is going to excrete out and he is going to excrete out ammonia. जहाँ निकले थे वही वापस आकर के पहुँच गए. There is another possibility that this plant was not eaten by animal but it died. बूढ़ा था. ऐसा नहीं बोलते. So this plant died. Now its dead remains will also go in the soil. है ना, उसमें से भी दोबारा यही बन जाएगा. So basically this is not going to help. So plant has good intentions, but either because of natural causes or because of predators it's going to die. Fine. This is also not amar. This will also die or excrete. Again it turns into ammonia. So we are back to square one. Our nitrogen has still not escaped. It is still trying to escape.
और तब तक वो गुंडा पकड़ में नहीं उसको.
ना ना, हमारी स्टोरी अलग है. गुंडे हमारे पकड़े नहीं जाते. करेक्ट. Elon Musk rocket बना रहे हैं. Okay, next. These nitrates and nitrites. Correct. Ammonia will not stay in ammonia for too long. It will always convert itself to nitrates and nitrites because this is the more acceptable form. घूमते घूमते these nitrates and these nitrite form, they will find an angel, a police officer. See now, a police officer will obviously go to a गुंडे का अड्डा and see if everything is fine. है ना, पुलिस वालों को पता होता है, तो वो जाएंगे देखने के लिए. अब इलॉन मस्क ने पुलिस कंप्लेन तो करी होगी, है ना. सो द कॉप हैज़ नाउ रीच टू दिस गुंडे का अड्डा. सो हु इज दिस पुलिस कॉप? इट इज़ आर डीनाइट्रीफाइंग बैक्टीरियाज. ये कौन है? Now these denitrifying bacteria will change nitrates and nitrites into N2 and give it back to atmosphere. So this police will take this child, उसका हुलिया सुधारेगा और उसको दोबारा इलॉन मस्क को जाकर के दे देगा. Happy endings. Okay? बस ये पकड़े नहीं जाएंगे. देखो, there you have to compromise. Fine.